the Home Minister in the floor of the Parliament said, आपको राशन कार्ड भी अप्लाई करने के लिए दरकार नहीं है, आप अगर हिंदू हैं तो आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स देने का कुछ दरकार नहीं है. He said this on the floor of the Parliament.
Not only Hindu, all six
okay,
minorities.
Fine. Now my point
Don't
is,
speak Hindu so
if you do not have to produce any documents to say that you were in India, any documents, then how do you justify someone who's come yesterday, in 2018, 2017, from that on 2014? What is the criteria if you do not have to give any documents to say that you have come post 2014? Second thing, language. Language, culture, the only country in the world, the only largely Islamic country in the world which was broken into two different states, countries, was Bangladesh, from East Pakistan, from West Pakistan. The language is the same, the food habits is the same, the culture is the same. How do you identify a Bengali speaking Muslim from a Bengali speaking Hindu? The language in Komila is different from the language in Sylhet. Noakhali has a different dialect. How do you identify what is the procedure which you will see he is a Muslim from a Hindu? So these are, what is the mechanism? And when the Home Minister of India has said that you do not need to produce any documents if you are a discriminated minority, then what is the cutoff year of 2014? How is that going to be a cutoff?